How to disable recommended videos on YouTube app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your YouTube application from your device and get logged into your YouTube account. Now let's go ahead and tap onto our profile from your bottom right corner. Tap on gear icon on your top page. You will see your data in YouTube. So in order to disable the recommended videos, you have to delete your YouTube data. Tap on Manage your YouTube watch history. Now, as you do so, you will see a page like this. Under here, tap on Auto Delete 36 months, then tap on Next. Tap on Got it. Now come back. Then tap on Manage your YouTube search history. Delete that as well if you have any. And now that you have deleted your data in your YouTube, your recommended videos will not be shown to you as they used to. That is how you can do it. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.